Hi, we are from G2G Group 5. We are currently at
G2G
Animal Garden.
Yeah, there's no good way. I'm chasing fire when I'm running after you. You got that something that I never wanna lose. Yeah, it's like dancing when the song's already over. Moving without getting any close.
Now here, think about me every night. Oh, isn't that sweet? I guess so. Say you can't sleep, baby. I know that's that me espresso. Move it up, down, left, right. Oh, switch it up like Nintendo. Say you can't sleep, baby. I know that's that me espresso. I can't relate.
Hey everyone, my name is Muhammad Darwish bin Yusri from S03 Group 5. Today, we are currently at G2G Animal Garden, such a beautiful place to be recorded. So today, we are diving into a super important topic, Ex Situ Conservation. Now, I know that might sound technical, but it's all about how we protect endangered species by taking them out of their natural habitat. Let's get into it. What is the difference between in situ and ex situ conservation? So the first one is in situ. In situ, it is the method of conserving all the living species, especially the wild and endangered species, in their natural habitat and environment. In situ conservation of biodiversity includes biosphere, reserve, national park, and wildlife sanctuaries. While ex situ conservation means conserving plants or animals outside their natural environment. Imagine species that are endangered in the wild by moving them to the places like zoos, botanical gardens, seed banks or aquarium. We can protect and help them thrive. So we choose G2G Animal Garden as our project site because it houses various types of endangered animals such as sail-fin dragon, ivory Burmese python, capybara, alpaca, blue and gold macaw, southern cassowary and many more that we will discuss today. So let's continue to our friend Azam, who will explain about endangered reptiles. Currently we are at Reptile House at G2G Animal Garden. So today I would like to tell you about reptile. So a reptile can be classified from anatomy, physiology and reproduction and many more. So a reptile is a cool-blooded animal which they cannot generate their internal heat by their own self. So they cannot heat their body by themselves. So reptiles also have a dry and scaly skin. So this makes them have a bad experience when they live in Malaysia because Malaysia has really high temperature due to tropical climates. And also, mostly reptile animals can lay eggs. So hopefully we can find their eggs in Reptile House at G2G Animal Garden. So let's go. So in this reptile house, we can find the rare species animal which is called ivory Burmese pythons, or their scientific names Pythons polurus bivitus. So for their diet, they are a carnivore, which is they only eat other animals. So their average lifespan is they up to 20 years old. So for their weight, they are up to 200 pounds or 90 kilograms. For their fun facts, they are actually pythons but have a rare genetics which give them a unique colorization. And for the second fun fact, they are a gentle giant, which is because of a ivory variety is generally calm and the cold temperament. We have a sail-fin dragon, which is have a scientific name Hydrosaurus pustulatus, and their diet is they are omnivore, which is they eat plants and also animals such as insects and many more. So for their lifespan, they can live for 10 until 15 years, but with appropriate care, they can live for 15 until 20 years. For their weight, they can grow up until 1 until 2 kilograms. And for their fun facts, they have sail for the shows, which is their sail on their tails is for display and also to appear larger to predators, which is can protect themselves. And for the second one, they have a color changing ability, which is most of the reptiles have these abilities. And for the third one, as their tail is also for swim and also climbing. This will help them to balance when they are swimming and also climbing the tree.
Capybara. Hi. Do you know what kind of animal is this? This is the famous capybara. The specific name for this animal is a Hydrochaeris hydrochaeris. Also, their diet is a herbivore and they has average lifespan in the wild which up to 7 years. They also weigh up 77 to 140 pounds. The thing about capybara is there are semi-aquatic mammals which is they can live in water or even in surface. Furthermore, they also is a strong swimmers as they had this peak-shaped body, and they also has unusual diet which they eat their own poop in the early morning. Want to know more details about capybara? Go search for it. Hi. This is alpaca. Their specific name is Vercuna pecus. Their average lifespan in captivity is up to 20 years, and weight can achieve their weight 100 to 175 pounds. And one fun fact about you. One fun fact? No. So one fun fact about them is alpaca doesn't have any upper teeth horns, so they only use their lower teeth. And alpaca can be aggressive and they will attack you by spitting or even cheat you. So make sure you be careful with the cutest alpaca. Hi.
So here we have Southern cassowary, which is known as cow cereus. The diet of this animal is herbivore, and average lifespan in the wild is approximately 18 until 20 years old, but in captivity is up to 40 years old. So the weight of this animal is 37 until 154 lbs, which females are slightly larger than males. So size of this bird is average can grow to 5.5 feet tall, which means 170 centimeters. So fun fact of this bird is it is the third tallest bird in the world, with ostrich the tallest, followed the elephant. So it also the most dangerous bird in the world. It is because they are heavy muscularly, have 3 toes bearing a large dagger-like claw, which means can remain wary of human, and however they also can become aggressive when feel threatened or cornered. So this bird is also frugivores, which means cassowary love fruits. Cassowary food pyramid is fruit and more fruit, not chewing in the eating process, just swallow the whole. So here with me is scarlet macaw, which is known as arrow macaw, and they are herbivore, which means they eat nuts, seeds, and so on. So average lifespan of this bird is between 40 and 50 years, but in captivity they can live up until 75 years. So their population is decreasing, but they are not considered as to be near threatened. So this is the largest sparrows in the world, which can reach 35 inches from big to tall. And it also have a powerful curved beak, which can open the hearts of fruits and crush hard nuts. Can help them climb branches and defend themselves from the predators. And lastly, they are one of the most beautiful parrots in the world, fondly known as the rainbow of the rainforest. So they have, as we can see here, they have creamy white skin, which is featherless. So beautiful.
So now, let's move on to our last topic, which is the importance of Ex Situ from various perspectives. First and foremost, of course, we will look at from the animal itself. Ex Situ conservation allows for keeping organisms safe, from external threats such as predators and poachers. It is beneficial for the animals, especially endangered species, from facing extinction. On the other hand, it is invaluable for research and public education. Why is it so? Ex Situ Conservation makes it easier for scientists to access and study for their research since it provides a controlled environment for scientists to study species biology, behavior, and genetics, which can inform conservation strategies. Besides, it also can educate the public about conservation issues and the importance of protecting biodiversity, just like it happens right now. Thanks for joining us on this journey today. Remember, every daily action counts when it comes to making a difference. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share. Let's keep the conversation going in the comments. We'd love to hear your thoughts and maybe some of your questions. Together, we can make a positive impact. Until next time, take care and keep spreading the word. Bye!